Hey y'all, Cookin' Savvy here. Let's talk savvy apples for a minute. This recipe is the hack of all hacks. Nobody's gonna believe that it's a cake mix and a pie filling. It is so moist and full of flavor, I promise this is autumn on a plate, and everybody's gonna be asking for more. In a large bowl, mix 1 box of spiced cake mix and 1 can of apple pie filling. In a separate bowl, mix brown sugar, cinnamon, melted butter, and chopped pecans. Grease a loaf pan and put half the cake mixture in the pan. Then put half the brown sugar mixture on top of the cake mixture. Repeat with the remaining ingredients and bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Gently remove the loaf from the pan and cool on a rack. Mix powdered sugar and vanilla creamer or milk, then drizzle over the loaf before serving and enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin' Savvy.